You search for how to buy shares of TriSalus Life Sciences Inc., so this short guide will show the steps. TriSalus is a life sciences company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker TLSI, and this explanation is educational only, not financial advice. To buy any stock, you need a broker account. I use eToro as a neutral example to explain the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an ID document and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker TLSI to find the company quickly. Select the listing that matches TriSalus Life Sciences Inc. to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, you will see basic company information, the current price chart, and recent trading data. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure you are viewing the correct asset. To place an order, choose Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to commit, and review the order type and fees. Confirm the order to send it. If the market is closed, your order may execute at the next open, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, the example eToro link is in the description below if you want to try the walkthrough yourself.